Hey lovelies, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Fifi777 and today's video is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing for March. Okay, with BoxyCharm, they always have a theme every month, and this is the card, and the card has the descriptions of all the products on it. So the theme is Game Changer, and it's celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. Yay. Okay, so let's get into it. The first product in the box is Oprah Cosmetics Charm Your Cheeks Mini Mix Blush Palette. Let me get that for you. Okay, isn't it pretty? It's a pink box. Let's open it up. These are the blush colors. And I could see already that there are 3 colors in this box that I like. This fallout though, as you can see over here, yeah, that might be a little bit of a problem, the fallout. But anyway, this color, and this color are the 3 colors that I'm interested in. I don't really wear blush, but after this video, I'm going to try out this blush and see what colors look nice on me. And I'll see if I'm going to keep using it because I'm not really a blush person like that. Okay, the next product is Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. And the retail value of this product is $69. So the first item just paid for the box itself. Okay, so let's see this Aceology Detoxifying Mask. Here it is. Do I have it upside down? Yep. Okay, let's look inside. Yeah, this is a pretty good amount, but $69 for this product. I don't know if I would pay $69 for this product, you know, but that's the beauty of BoxyCharm, where you could try out these products and not pay these prices unless you like it, and then, you know, you could do anything. Like you could, if you love it, because I would have to love it for me to pay $69 for a mask. Now the mask says that it's good for blackheads and large pores and congested pores and stuff. I'm going to try it and I'm going to let you know how this works. Anyway, let's move on to the third product in the box, and that is Earth Harbor Naturals Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm. Only thing is, why do they have such a long descriptions of these products? Anyway, this is the little product here. Let's see inside. Okay, well, it's a very little jar, which is okay. Let's see how it smells. I'll tell you one thing, it smells delicious. Now, let's see what it does. Okay, it is a seafood and tropical super berries playfully melt across your face with this balm. What? They insert a thirsty abundance of vitamin C, A, E, and E, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other active ingredients. Okay, and it says it's necessary for achieving your best, bounciest, dewiest skin. I like that because I want my skin to be bouncy and dewy. Okay, the manufacturer's retail price on this product is $38 for this little product. And I'm not sure what exactly you do with it, Do you put it on your face and leave it there like a moisturizer? Anyway, I'll read up on that later. Okay, so the next product we have is the Rowan Beauty Wild Brow Pencil. That's it. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's a regular size pencil. Let me see what the price point is. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $28 for this pencil. Oh, has a spoolie on the end, which is good. And the other side, there is the brow pencil, but it's not black. It's like a charcoal looking color. Let me see what the color is on the... Okay, it's dark fonts. I never heard of dark fonts before, but it is a like a charcoal gray color, looks like to me. All right, so the manufacturer's suggested retail price on this product is $26. Eye pencil, $26. Okay, so me personally, I know can't do $26 for an eye pencil. It looks like a regular pencil to me. I'm gonna try it out, and I don't care how much I love it. I'm not gonna pay $26 for a pencil. No, I'm not doing that. Okay, so the next product is by Style Dry, and it's the Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. And it says, this super hair mask is enriched with coconut oil and mamumu butter. Mamuru. Okay. And for healthy, hydrated, and glossy hair, it is the must-have hair mask to nourish your hair deeply and give you the ultimate treatment at home. Your hair will be moisturized, silky, and shiny as never before. Ooh, that sounds good. All right, this is the product. Okay, I want my hair to be shiny and bouncy and moisturized because I have very dry hair. So I'm gonna try this and I'll let you know if I like this or not, if it's really gonna deliver what it says. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price on this product is $16.95. Now, I hope I can get more than one treatment out of this, and I hope it works as it said. Will I pay $16.95 for this amount of product? Probably not, but let's see. It has to really be exceptional for me to pay $16.95 for this amount of product. But yes, I'll let you know about these products in this box. Anyway, I think that this box had some pretty good products in it. The amount of the value of the box is over $150. So the basic box is $27.99. So I think that's a value at $27.99. You get the 5 full-size products, and at $27.99, it's definitely worth it for this box because the value of the box is over $150. So thanks for watching, and if you're new here, subscribe if you like this kind of video, if you like beauty, health, and lifestyle. Then I'll see you in the next video.